Welcome again. It's me, Food Daddy, clinical food nutritionist and dietitian. So today I want to take you through how the arrowroots are being grown so that you can harvest very big harvest from it. Big arrowroots. First, what are the advantages of this? Because most of you have been thinking, why should I eat? Why must I eat an arrowroot? What are the benefits? And what mistakes do you make while planting them? Follow me. Let's start by what are the benefits or the health benefits of consuming arrowroots. Mostly this is for people who are aging and even for those who are still young. Arrowroots or nduma. Number 1, digestion. Arrowroots have high starch and they act as laxative to people with bowel movement problems, especially people who cannot go to the urine, to the latrine properly. And how does it play a role in bowel movement? The fiber in arrowroots also help in preventing bloating and indigestion, and also constipation. So it's very important. And you can see it's mostly recommended for everybody, and more so to the people 50 years and above. The second one, it's very important for heart health, the health of your heart. So ndumas, they are very rich. Ndumas is a local name, but it's also called arrowroot, are rich in potassium, which is known to be a vasodilator. Vasodilator, what does it mean? It helps in relaxation and contraction of the blood vessels. So it relieves tension of your blood vessels, hence reduce the blood pressure. So when your blood pressure is balanced, you are at a lower risk. The risk of getting cardiovascular diseases is reduced. So you see, if you also have high blood pressure, you should ensure you also consume the arrowroots. The third point, it's also very important for the pregnant women. So these expectant women require folate. And folate, it helps in development of the fetus. So when they eat these arrowroots, it helps the fetus from developing spina bifida, which is a hole that's found on the spinal cord of the baby. So the baby will be able to develop without any congenital disabilities that is likely to occur when you are deficient of folate. And one of the congenital disabilities that I've talked about is spina bifida. So on the fourth importance of the health benefit, it plays a big role in weight loss, especially for the people who are obese, overweight, and they want to cut down their weight. So compared to other starch foods such as potatoes, cassava, and yams, arrowroots or ndumas, they are very low in calories. And calories are the one that play a big role in weight gain. So if you are trying to shed some pounds, therefore, add arrowroots to your diet. Because the higher you consume it, the lesser chances of gaining more weight. And the higher fiber contents will also fill you up. And thus, you will feel like you are already full. You won't crave for more. You won't eat too much. Then, it helps in ultra UTI. That's the fifth point. Urinary tract infection. So this urinary tract infection can be very stubborn to treat. Very stubborn to treat, especially in the hospital and other places. So however, the inflammatory properties in arrowroots help in treating the urinary tract infections that has affected many people and other bladder infections. So you see, nduma or arrows are very, very, very important. Then the last point, or the sixth point, it boosts your metabolism. What's metabolism? Metabolism is the breakdown of whatever you have taken in into simple things that can be able to be of benefit to your body. So folate is responsible for metabolism in our body, and since arrowroots contain or have considerable amount of folate when you eat it, so it plays a very vital role, and thus increases the metabolism, the rate of metabolism. So you'll be able to boost your metabolism. So you see, these are the health benefits of arrowroots. So guys, when we talk about arrowroot, this is what we are talking about. I know some of you may not have come across them because you're not maybe on the farms or on the rural setups. So this is an example. This is an arrowroot. Some people might think it's a flower, but it resembles a type of flower, the way it grows, but it's a arrowroot which we harvest from down there, and it takes almost 6 months for you to harvest them. So today, I know most people have tried planting it, but they are getting very, very small benefits or fruits from it. So I'm going to show you how to do it perfectly, so that you can get best and the biggest arrowroot. Here is my small plantation that I'm just showing as an example, but I have a big one on the other side of the farm. So let me show you, because I've tried to dig some of them here, and I hope you love this. So this is how the seedling looks like, you see. And since this one was planted on a shallow, you can see a very small arrowroot. So I'm going to show you how to plant it so that you can get the best and the biggest. First, I've dug the hole. As you can see, it's a deeper hole. It's deep. It's deeper hole. Ensure you dig a deeper hole. Then take your seedling, put it in there. Then put a very small amount of soil. Don't put it up to the top. Just very small. Then after that, you leave it. And you can water it if it is not raining, just for some time. Then you leave it. Imagine, it doesn't need a lot of things. You don't need to buy chemical fertilizer to put on it. After doing this, you ensure maybe if the grasses they tend to grow beside it, you remove them, so that you can remove a lot of bush around it. Then just wait for 6 months. You'll have your best and the biggest, just like what I'm going to attach here, the photos that are coming next after this. So I hope you like this. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share. It's your boy Food Daddy, clinical food nutritionist and a dietitian. See you in the next video. If you need follow-up, please, 6 months after uploading this video, remind me so that I can give you the follow-up. And I would like to see your views, your comments, because I'll be so happy to interact with you. I can't wait to see your comments. I can't wait to see your comments at interaction. Please, see you in the next video. Peace. I love you all.